Hello, and good afternoon. We are here with all the important topics right before the U.S. stock market rings the bell. HSBC, a prominent global bank, reported a significant rise in its third-quarter profits, indicating a strong recovery from the impacts of the global pandemic. However, these impressive financial figures still did not meet the ambitious predictions set by market analysts. As per the bank's release, the profit before tax amounted to $5.4 billion, representing a remarkable uptick compared to the previous year. Nevertheless, the market had set its sights even higher, anticipating the figure to reach around $5.5 billion. This minor shortfall has triggered a wave of discussions among investors and analysts, emphasizing the bank's need to ensure consistent growth and meet market forecasts in the subsequent quarters. While HSBC's resilience and performance are commendable in the current economic climate, the disparity between actual results and market expectations underlines the constant pressure global banking giants face from ever-evolving market perspectives and predictions. McDonald's Corporation, one of the world's leading fast food chains, has reported earnings that surpassed market estimates, primarily propelled by its strategy of hiking menu prices. The company revealed a Q3 per-share earnings of $2.76, which comfortably exceeded the projected $2.52. This performance can be attributed to the higher prices McDonald's charged for its items, a strategy that compensated for any potential slowdown in customer traffic amidst ongoing economic challenges. Moreover, this approach has demonstrated the brand's strong pricing power in a competitive market, allowing it to maintain profitability. Nevertheless, while the increased prices bolstered the earnings, it also raised concerns about potential long-term impacts on customer loyalty and frequency. As the industry continues to grapple with rising commodity and labor costs, McDonald's strategy offers a glimpse into the balancing act brands might employ to safeguard their bottom lines. Pfizer's endeavors in developing a vaccine for respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, seem to be progressing, but at a pace that lags behind its competitor, GlaxoSmithKline, GSK. Recent data shows that while Pfizer's RSV vaccine has showcased efficacy, GSK's vaccine offering is generating higher levels of anticipation in the medical community due to promising results in its late-stage trials. GSK's vaccine, designed for older adults, has demonstrated a 61% reduction in the risk of medically attended RSV-associated lower respiratory tract infections. On the other hand, Pfizer's vaccine has yet to release such robust findings. The heightened anticipation around GSK's RSV vaccine underlines the intense competition in the pharmaceutical industry, especially in the vaccine sector. As the race to provide an effective RSV solution continues, the progress of these two pharma giants will be closely watched, with stakeholders eager to determine the eventual market leader. This is all we have for you today. We are MEXEM TV, and we will be here next week, same place, same time. Goodbye.